welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video, and today's video is a witch casket unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing June's witch casket box, and let's just get straight into it. I have the box here ready to go. I don't think I've actually looked in this box yet, I can't remember because I'm filming all these in one go. Because I'm a terrible YouTuber, but I promise I'm gonna get better. Let's get straight into it, and I'm already seeing that we have got another one of these little booklets, which is really cool. I like that they've started doing these now. Last month in May we had Moon Magic, and this month it appears that we have got Sun Magic. So, we hope those of you who were subscribed for May appreciate how June's casket works with last month's Moon casket. But for new subscribers, it also stands alone, which is super duper. So what have we got? First thing I'm seeing is a happiness charm bag kit. Okay. Ooh, okay. Ooh. What we got in here? Oh, we've got a little stone. I'm obsessed with crystals. I'm thinking about changing the name of my channel to Crystal Child, just because Idol Girl, well, Idol Girl is not going to be even like relevant to me anymore. That's cute. And so I do need a new name, and I love crystals, and I'm pretty sure that I am a Crystal Child, possibly indigo, but I'm pretty sure I'm a Crystal Child. Anyway, we'll talk about that another time. So hibiscus flowers, orange peel, clear quartz crystal, and gold satin pouch. So that's what we've got in here. So we've got the flowers and the orange peel. We've got a really cute little clear quartz in there. I think that it's just so nice that they I mean obviously they give you everything that you need, but they've just given us a little, we get another crystal guys, which is super exciting, and I just love this pouch. So this will be getting used, and I might do a video on it. I could do a TikTok because I feel like it could be done pretty quickly. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about that. So we've got some artwork here. Oh wow, I love that. And then this is please accept our apologies once again for the slight delay in shipping your casket. In addition to the 20% store discount. Automatically back. Right, okay, because I did actually mention in one of the videos I've just filmed that I get my boxes pretty late, but I do tend to get most of my boxes, like not just one, but most of my boxes I do tend to get towards the end of the month. But it would be really handy for me to get them earlier so I can get these videos up to like at the beginning of the month for you guys, kind of so you know what's coming in them, and maybe it might make you want to subscribe. So that is that there. What's this? Simple single stone reading. Ooh. Oh, it's a rune guide. Oh, that's super cute. So we've got a little rune guide there. So it tells you all your runes on the back. So simple single. So it's just basically telling you how to use rune stones and things. Wait. Why has it got a rune guide on it? Why has it got a rune guide on it? Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Rune stones. Rune. Oh, come on, I just need a minute now. I just need a sec. Just let me just, okay. I've been looking at rune stones to buy some. I want crystal ones. I was looking, oh my god. Runes, guys. We have rune stones. Actual rune stones. What? Okay. Just give me a second. How? What? Why? I can't even deal. I can't cope. This chair's spinning me round, by the way. I'm not going crazy. I'm not going round the bend. This chair just doesn't like to stay still. I was like, you know when you see it and I thought, oh that's really cool. They've given us like a little runestone guide. And then my brain just was like, hang on a minute. This is witch casket. Witch casket usually will give you things to go together, so I was like, hang on a minute, why is there a room? So I'm sorry, I just needed a second. I don't know if I'm quite, 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 I don't know if I'm I don't know what's going on right now. I'm very excited. I've been wanting some rooms for ages. I've been looking at getting some rooms for ages. I can't cope. I can't even, how, let me have a look. This is why I don't read this first, because it's more fun when you just pick things out. Is this a freaking joke? I can't believe that they've given us some bloody rooms. It's black agate. I'm like, agate. I said that really posh, and it's black agate. It's black agate. No, I'm sorry, I can't say it like that. I don't want to be Yorkshire anymore. And I'm not going to be more. Ah! No, stop. Calm down. Okay. So, black agate, runestone set and pouch. Oh, hang on, what did that just say then? Within this magical pouch is the highest value item to ever grace our caskets. Do you know what I'm saying? Do you see the excitement that I just... Does anybody understand my excitement? Nobody understands my excitement right now. This is not fair. Why? Okay, I just need... Right, we need to carry on because this video is never going to end. I need to just carry on. I'm going to carry on, and then I might do a separate video for the runestones. I'm just like, yeah. Literally, I was not expecting that. I was not. I really was not. I'm assuming because they've done that there's not going to be a crystal in here now. I'm going to be pretty freaking shocked if there is. But let's just keep going. So what have we got here? We've got, I can't cope. Wizard's Spell. Enjoy the enhancing aroma. Ooh, Wizard's Spell is unique and subtle essence. Will drive you gently to a magical kingdom. 12 incense. Oh, so we've got, so this is incense. So instead of the incense sticks, this time we've got incense cones. Oh, I'll tell you what would be good. I'm hoping they've done it, or it might be even in here. Oh, it's in here. I just wanted something to put the incense cones on, but it's got a little corny thing. Ooh, for some reason. See, I don't know why, and it could be to do with a candle that I've had around that time, but I just got a quick Christmas feeling then. Oh, I don't know, it's giving me strange feelings. I like it a lot. I'm very excited. Okay. Oh, my brain is literally fried. Witch Casket, what are you actually doing to me right now? I can't cope. Okay, let's move on. What's this? Oh, that's cute. How cute is this bag? Got little handles. This could even go on the wall though, couldn't it? Ooh, got a message. Message! It won't be anybody good. Well, it might be. Oh, it's a foraging bag. I love it. I feel like I could just be Alice right now because I'm that excited. But no, I'm not going to do that because that's just a little bit weird. And if you haven't seen Vicar of Dublin, if you didn't see me in the Vicar of Dublin, then you're not really going to know what I'm doing. I should probably not do that, should I? Carry on, girl, carry on. Right, I'm going to stop. No, I can't help myself. I've gone crazy, guys. Literally, I'm so excited right now. What's this? Grimoire cards. Okay, we've got some Grimoire cards. I can't cope, and it's got goals around the edges as well. Something has just brought me out, and I feel so strange right now, but I feel like I'm being myself from like 4 years ago that I haven't been for a long time. If you've been watching my videos for a while, then you might kind of know what I'm talking about. If not, then you won't. But something weird within this box has just made me go all weird. Anyway, so we've got some floral grimoire cards. Oh, it tells you all about the different flowers. Oh, bloody fabulous. Oh my god, these, now, I could do something with these and make like a display out of these because they're super, super pretty. And if you could stick them on a thing and then have it on the wall, and it basically, I'm going to be spinning in a minute, right. It tells you the different flowers and the uses or the benefits of said flowers. So lavender is great for calm. I can't deal. This is just, this box, I'm sorry. Sorry, love. What? No, I'm sorry, I can't. This box has blown my friggin' mind. Oh my god, I can't wait for next month's. No. How? Wow. Okay, I need to just calm down. This box, if anybody else is agreeing with me that this box is just out of this world, I'm shocked right now. And I always love the witch casket boxes, but this one has just taken the chuffing biscuit. Oh god, this video is going to be too long. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. But let's like open this quickly. I'm going to try and move on quickly now, guys. So solar magic, sun phases, amulets, crystals, fabulous, love it. So we've just got in here some solar magic info and things to do with that. Spinning all the way around. Oh, I wish this chair would just stay still. It's quite annoying. This is I'm just done. Oh, we've got a little sun magic enamel pin. That's really cute. And we've got, oh, we have got a stone. We've got sunstone. So we've got a bag of runes with black agate crystal. And then we've got a sunstone. This is absolutely shocking, guys. This is shocking. This box has blown my mind. If you hadn't already noticed, just thought I'd let you know about that. So, a stone of happiness, a good fortune, sunstone alleviates stress and anxiety and allows your true nature to shine. This is a great stone for empowerment, independence and high energy. Well, thanks, because I need that right now. Definitely need that right now. I can't deal. Just things are being strange lately and I just... Right, I need to hurry up because this video has been a bit too long, guys. I'm really sorry. What is this? Spiced orange. Soy pot of fragrance. Oh! That's... So it does smell like orange, but there's something in there that's reminding me of Play-Doh. And if you guys remember Play-Doh and the smell of it, I bloody love it. It's amazing. So we've got spiced orange candle, scented candle there, which is lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Everything's lovely at the moment, apparently. Put that down. And we've got a lemon moon punch tea and marigold. What's this for? Because this isn't a tea, is it? Is it? Must be. I'm guessing. Okay, so that's it. So I am gonna quickly wrap this up, guys. This box has literally just blown my mind. I am absolutely cannot believe I've got some runes. I've got some runes. My bag of runes. So yeah, Witch Casket, you've blown me away with this one big time. Thank you so much. Thank you to all you guys for watching. If you've made it to the end of this video and you don't think I'm a complete loon, or at least you think I'm a nice loon, then that's fine. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so, so much. To the moon and back, and even to the sun and back. And I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah. I love you guys. Bye.